Welcome this video. Rustic gardening bed. Create rustic gardening bed is one of the best way to gardening comfortable and effective. If you have limit space or poor solution, those elevate bed not only staring off your back but also provide better few weak and warm temperament. Gardening this gas away you're trying the process or build your own rustic gardening bed idea for vegetable, herb or flower. Benefit of your rustic gardening bed before we divide into the bed process. Here are few topics to consider. Rustic bed gardening. No more blend or keep perfect for old and those limited mobiles. Salt panel. Fit your bed with quality compost idea for health root development, better water logging and root poor patrolling center, more during of root and other group for each crop. Employ gardening season warm mean plants left over material you need the material valve on the size you want, but here a great list for 1 4 by 2 by 3 L multiply W multiply H rustic bed. Step by step. Choose the location. Create a location. Select a summer in your yard or patio. Vegetable need add later 6 to 8 hours of sunlight